Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Bunny and Kristen Crowley, two women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe. Instagram. All right, we have the best tip of something that is saving a ton of time, but you want to add multiple pictures to your stories, right? I mean, you want to. So if you want to show your clients or you want to show what's going on, Instagram has just dropped a new tool that nobody is talking about, and it definitely helps you make it so much easier.
I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to tell you, go into your Instagram stories and post whatever it is you want to post as your basic backgrounds. So you post a story, say it's maybe something you have coming up or an offer to share with your audience. The next step you typically do to show multiple clients or to show multiple photos is you used to, back in the day, either have to do this outside of the app itself in, one of those Instagram story designers.
How long did it take you normally to do that?
I mean, once you got faster at it, 15 to 30 seconds of like getting the photos. But if you had to design a whole post, it's going to take you 5 to 10 minutes.
Right.
So now Instagram has made it where it literally cuts all of that out. And all you have to do is go into your stickers and you're going to pick this new sticker here. Remember the little one where you used to be able to put your face and everything, like you were pointing at something? They still have that, but they have a new one that allows you to go right into your photos. So you see it, it's right, all your pictures should come up. And you just pick the picture you want, pop it into your IG story, and you can do that as many times as you want to. So you can feature before and afters faster. You can feature new products faster if you have them on your website for e-commerce. So it's a really cool tool, cuts down on a ton of the time that you spend, and gone are the days of going back to your photos, clicking a photo, hitting copy, and then having to go back into stories and add the sticker multiple times. So really a lifesaver, and I hope you found this tip super helpful.
And if you did, let us know, comment, or tag us on your stories when you do this so that we can reshare and give you a thumbs up.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe. We're going to have fun tips like this all the time for your branding and your biz because it's on. We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.